Hi, I'm Stuart and welcome to SIRENNET Television. Young Chris has been an intrepid individual here at SIRENNET. He's taken things apart, he's repurposed them, he's even changed lenses and bulbs. Today's a first because he's going to take and play with the knob. It's actually on the Whelen product WPA112 and he's going to show you a knob replacement. Thank you, Chris. Take it away.
Thank you, Stuart. I have here Whelen Engineering's WPA1. It's their waterproof control head. It allows for operation of lighting, siren controls, and here, should you need to tie in a PA for broadcasting, it has a waterproof connection. Because after all, the control head is put together and designed for use in an exterior application. So on an ATV, a side-by-side, golf cart, watercraft, even aviation equipment. It works great. The control heads, with being exposed to the exterior for their whole life, a lot of wear and tear to the front face. It's designed for the exterior, so rough and tumble, cast switches tightened in very nicely, a cap for when the mic is not needed, but something that you may notice on this post here and this post here, there should be knobs affixed. Well, in this case, I'm going to show you how easy it is to affix new control knobs for your PA volume and your rotary for your siren tones. In some cases with these, rough and tumble can cause the switch to come off, or in some cases, I'm not joking, I even had to have a few replaced for a client who was having issues with wildlife coming and chewing on the control knobs. For some odd reason, pesky little squirrels, they attack all kinds of things. We even know they take out power lines, so something like this to appetizing to wildlife. So with that, control head, pair of fresh knobs. So should you need either one, give us a call. We'll be glad to help you out. Small knob here is for the PA volume. The large knob here with the extension goes on the center for allowing for siren control. So this may look familiar from bigger units in the Whelen 295 series family. Smaller control head, just smaller knobs. The volume knob we'll go ahead and put on first. Now what's really interesting is there's a very, very tiny torque screw. One here, two on this knob here. So for this, Allen, you're going to need a 0.5 inch size. Also, if you need, it's a 1.3 millimeter. So very tiny. So to get started, I'll take the volume knob. Just going to go ahead and spin it so I have access here to tightening it down. Again, give it a pull, make sure it's on there nice and tightly. So volume knob easily replaced. It's turned down, so here in the very low and off position, go ahead, turn up to adjust your PA. For the center here, the rotary knob will go into place. One interesting thing that you'll see with this is there is a flat portion. The flat portion will actually pertain to the bottom of this internal controller that the knob affixes to. So for getting it realigned for reinstalling your new knob, just go ahead and make sure that the flat portion is pointed down into the off setting. If it's not, when this is lost, just take a small pair of needle nose and go ahead and turn it over to the off position. And go ahead, get it realigned so that the controller is aligned with the off. And from there, go ahead, same size, tighten in the two small Allen screws. Again, give it a bit of a wiggle and a shake, make sure it's on there nice and tightly. And from there, we'll go ahead, spin it around, make sure it's working okay. Seems to be working fantastic. Nice thing with this control head, making it a little unique from others, not only for its compact size, but the rotary knob here has a full spin range of movement. So you can go from off to the left side or to the right side versus conventional systems where it only goes one way and then stops, have to spin it back around. So a little different here. So as you can see, Whelen's WPA1 control head, with it being designed for the exterior, should something happen to one of the knobs here, no worries, let us know, we're glad to help. I'm Chris, thanks for watching SIRENNET Television and changing knobs, WPA1, back to you, Stuart.
Well, there was Chris changing a knob. You saw it first here on SIRENNET. I'm Stuart. Thanks for watching.